Ayos ka lang?
Lasing na ako eh.
Kapag may alak, may mapofos. Yan eh.
Tumari ko na.
Guys, meron akong pa.
Thank you.
Goodbye for now, and God bless.
Parang tayo.
Ikaw yan, parehas kayo may bandaan. Katapat matamis.
Ayan, tapos na kami. Hair color. Haircut. Ayan, ito na yung final namin. Thank you so much everyone. Like and share.
Baka merong... Mayroon mo yung ano.
Ayan, may pabalot na.
Linis sila tapos para sa fiesta and everything. Because nag-floor wax, hindi ko pala tapos mag-floor wax. Okay lang ang mga halaman. Tapos nag-change kami ng flowers. Ganda na, parang plastic na. Ganda ng halaman na to guys. Pang-indoor talaga siya. Tsaka ang mahal nito, 450 kayo bili nito. Yung maliit pa lang siya, ganito pa lang kalaki. This is philodendron. Hindi ko alam. Oo, gabi-gabi.
Sapatos, medyas, no?
Sophia, isinusuot ng bata na pwede mabili sa Shopee, ano kaya?
Chinelas.
Ayun, chinelas. Headband.
Oo, headband.
Pabibili, I'm sure maraming chinelas sa Shopee. Ang tanong, nandiyan ba sa board? Services?
Ayun, chinelas.
Brandon,
Huwag na kayo magkamali.
isinusuot ng bata ang pwede mabili sa Shopee. Socks.
Ayun, socks. Meron.
Shoes.
Meron. Kompleto sila.
Grabe! Ang final score, status pesos, 347. The master boxers, 123 points. That was very close. Seti, bago tayo.
And usually this comes at a big amount. The deposit is lent by your parents or loans that have lower interest than monthly rent. Going on, another reason why the housing prices are so crazy in Korea is because of speculation. However, this speculative behavior has led to a wave of something called chonse sagi, chonse fraud cases where landlords discount what you need when you need it. The process is easy. Just fill out a short questionnaire and
naman
you'll
itong
be
bag na to?
matched with a therapist in
37,000?
just a few days.
Diyan lang sa
This
ano?
therapist is a
Shopee?
good fit.
Hindi, sa Salona.
BetterHelp ensures
Naman,
that
napakaliit
therapists are
ulit.
highly
Tapos
qualified
wala
and their
namang-
customer support
Una mo,
team is always
napakasimple.
ready to assist. If
Oh.
you're struggling and think therapy
Ano
can
na- ano
help,
namang meron
click the
dito?
link in the
Louis
description
Vuitton ba
and
yan?
go to betterhelp.com/KCC for
Strawberry.
10%
Hindi naman
off your
kilala
first
din.
month. Now back to the topic. Here are some real Korean sentiments from a heated post on the internet about the housing crisis and obsessions. Titled, South Korea is the only
Maganda pa
country
to,
in the world that's
595
this
lang.
crazy with real estate. A country where the entire population is engaging in speculative investments, a nation where people take out loans beyond their means, household debt has reached approximately $800 billion. The government encouraged real estate by making loans easily accessible to anyone, leading people to think buying an apartment is within their ability, when it's not. And in July alone, about $32 billion in loans were taken out to buy apartments solely. Birth rates are dropping to
Maganda pa rin
0.5,
ng
yet
ultra
people
unit,
who
hindi
live in
masangsaw
real estate
sa
prices
ano.
will only
Maganda ba
rise.
yan?
For example, during
Hindi
the
siya
Japanese
masangsang
bubble
sa ano
era, the
talaga.
Japanese also
Hindi
grew
masyado
real
masakit.
estate prices would always
Sa
go up,
ano tawag
but
doon, sa
the
ilong
bubble
yung
eventually
amoy,
burst.
pareha pa
Was
rin
it
ng
because
ano
the
na yung
Japanese
dati.
were foolish?
Hindi matapang
No,
naman.
Japan was also burdened by immense debt and people rushed to buy homes.
At saka ano siya,
Eventually,
hindi
South Korea's
malagkit.
real estate market will
Kasi
face the same
Maano ba?
collapse. Despite
Makintab
this
ba?
historical
makintab na
result,
ano siya
many
yung
fail to see that
hiwalay-hiwalay
their
siya.
own graves. This form
Hindi
itself
siya
is a
ano,
representation of
hindi katulad yung
greed.
ibang,
People
alam mo
pour
yung
their
ano, una mo
entire
binili,
assets into apartments, hoping for prices to
Ayaw.
rise endlessly. There's no other country in the world as obsessed
hindi
with
siya
real
ano,
estate
yung
as
parang
Korea. the real estate market in South Korea
Basta malagkit
is
siya.
bound to crash. Every indicator points towards a collapse, and deep down, even those who have over-leveraged know this. They're just choosing
Yeah.
to ignore it.
Hindi ako bumibili ng
And these
ibang
are the key
product na
replies
ano
to
eh.
this
Tulad.
post. LMAO,
Kung
so
ang
are you
ano,
planning to live
kung
on
ang
the
Alpha
streets,
Park
or
ay
maybe you should
kaya
just
ko
rent a
rin.
place?
Alpha Park
Bro, throughout history,
Yung list
countless
design,
sources
sobra naman
have
kasi
taught
mahal.
people
Pero
to
mayroon na
explore
sila sa ano,
fertile
sa
land.
Shopee.
Compared to the past where people
Personalized,
risked
kung
their lives
pang
and went to
personal,
war
pang
over
isang
land,
gabitan.
isn't
Oo.
today much
Kaya
more
ko.
civilized? If the country is obsessed
Mayroon
with
sila
real
sa
estate,
Shopee.
just get
Try mo
obsessed
siyang
with it. If
ano.
it stops, then
Ano
go
mo
all in
pangalan?
stocks.
List
Don't
design.
ever above it all. Then just go against the market without
Mayroon sila,
focus
list
buying.
design.
Yet today,
Pero di ko lang alam kung baka
is
imitation o
being
ano.
set.
Kasi
As you
sabi
can see,
noon ni
there is
EJ,
strong
ano
dividing
eh.
sentiment between
Sana
those
meron
who
sila
own
yung
and
ano.
those who don't.
Sabi ni
Homeowners
EJ,
often
hindi naman daw
own
sila
great
nag-ano
lakes
sa mga local,
prices
ay sa
even
mga,
attacking economists
kung mayroon man daw yan, imitation daw sabi.
Mahal daw.
Some
Mayroon
apartment
pa rin ano?
communities
Oo.
even
Sana
commit to
meron
keep
yung pang
prices
personalized
high by
lang,
agreeing
no?
not to sell
Mayroon namang
below
maliit
a
yun eh.
certain threshold. While the housing crisis is largely systemic, the mentality of individuals further fuels the obsession with
Mahal
real estate,
naman,
driving
5,000.
prices even higher. This
Mura siya
behavior
ngayon.
leads to
Ano,
habits
isang
of
set
rich
yun?
or even bigger
Ay, iba to
who
eh.
own real estate
List
with
design,
big
Alpha
impact
Park.
on
Hindi, ito, pero
prices
mas
as well.
lang siya.
Speaking
Hindi
of the
siya yung
divide,
pera.
let's look at the global divide. Even globally,
Ah,
some
yung
Shampoo,
mask.
housing
conditioner,
market
tapos
isn't
mask.
outlined.
Parang hairs
In
pa
other
lang.
developed countries, real estate makes up a balanced share of household wealth.
Yung
In the
kasama na
US,
yung
for
one
example,
set na ano,
housing
yung
comprises
pang
only
ano,
8.5%
Brazilian.
of household assets. In Japan, it's 37%, and in the UK, it's 46.2%. In Korea,
for us. Of course, kahit saan tumapunta, kung kahit yung survey, and
Okay na
so,
ba?
kung
Oo.
kumari kayo mga madam, may budget kayo, dito kayo sa sekretary.